Today I will talk about the motor of car. I will focus that the modifying the motor and some material of motor, such as this is motor of sport car. It is Lamborghini car. It is V12 is the motor 12 engine and have 2 choke. For the modifying the motor, such as set the turbo into the motor. I will show you the setting of turbo in Nissan Navara. This is Nissan Navara car. It is material of turbo that we set in the motor. This is the cover of motor. This is the cover. I will set some material into the motor for have the power up the motor. Okay. Moreover, setting the turbo in the motor is have setting the nitrous oxide into the motor. For this picture is the nitrous oxide. This is the nitrous oxide. When you use the nitrous oxide, your car, when you use the nitrous oxide, it make your car is boost the velocity into the maximum. And I will show you about the picture of boot. Set the boot into the motor. Form in Thai language, I call this boot is ID, because the boot return the gas from the motor and return to use in the motor again and again. So in Thailand we call it is ID. If we compare the speed of Lamborghini car and BMW car, I will show you what happened. Yes, it's sure that the Lamborghini car can have the top speed more than the BMW car. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.